Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the TSI CCI Hull Indicator. Alright, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Okay, here we go. So as we can see, this is an oscillator, right? And it helps us to identify the prevailing momentum in the market. Okay, so if you look down here in the indicator window, you are going to see that the indicator has an indicator line, and then it has a sort of shaded area that moves in a wave-like pattern. All right, so when the indicator line is green and you have the shaded area also green, it shows you that there is bullish momentum present in the market. And then when the indicator line turns red and the shaded area also turns red, it tells you that the momentum is shifting to bearish. All right, and then a sell signal happens when a green dot also appears. Now once you have a green dot appear and the color of the line changes to I mean when a red dot appears. All right, a sell signal happens when a red dot appears, and then you have the indicator line also change to red. Just like we can see here, a red dot appears, indicator line change to red, and then you have the shaded area also change to red. That shows you that bearish momentum is entering the market. So you can decide to sell. Don't mind the frequent change from red to green and back to red and all of that. Those might just be pullbacks. Okay, make sure that you are trading in the direction of the trend. So this is a sell trend. We had a red dot appear, we had a red line here, we had a red shaded area. This was a sell signal, right? And you can see how the price fell all the way to this point. Then the signal changes when a green dot appears. Okay, when you have a green dot appear, it now is a buy signal, right? But before you enter, make sure that in addition to the green dot, you have the indicator line change to green, and you also have a green shaded area, right? So when you have this confluence, you can then consider entering a buy trade. So you can see in this case, this was a buy move that happened after we had the confluence. So we had the green dot here. You can see we had the green line, red line. There was still consolidation around here, but then another green dot appeared, and then this was when the green shaded area appeared. So this would have been the place to buy. Okay, and you can see how the price went up. So make sure that you always wait for the confluence, the appearance of the dot, and then the line should be the same color with the dot, and then the shaded area the same color as well. Okay, and you can also pay attention to other confirmation patterns like candlestick patterns, and maybe use other indicators for confirmations as well. Okay, just make sure that you always get enough confluence before executing your trade with proper risk management. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.